Most people think that AI is a money printing machine, and it's not. It's an efficiency multiplier. And if you have a $0 business, 10 times zero is still zero. Now, I'm about to tell you something that you won't hear from anybody else on YouTube that is talking about AI. The truth about making money with AI in 2026, not the dream, not the hype, the reality. And if you want the truth, then stay with me. Now, I actually make money with AI every single day. I've built real businesses around these tools. So when I tell you that AI won't make you rich, I'm not saying it from the outside looking in. I'm saying it from the inside of the industry out. Now, what you're being sold right now on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram is not the entire truth. And it's costing just regular people real money. So let me tell you what is actually happening. Now, since I've started actually putting out content in reference to using AI tools in business, I've been getting a lot of comments and I've had people reaching out about AI. And there are several AI side hustles that I get asked about frequently. Let's just start with number one, creating a YouTube channel that is automated with AI. I've been in YouTube for a while. My wife is one of the original creators on YouTube with Mr. Beast and PewDiePie and some of these other people. YouTube has changed. And since this thing is starting to get a lot more popular with AI, YouTube has started demonetizing these AI channels. So you may get away with it for a month or two. And then after that, they're going to clap your channel and they're going to keep the money that they haven't dished out yet. And you're not going to receive it. I'm seeing this all over my timeline of people complaining about starting these automated AI channels and not getting the money because YouTube demonetized them after people have put in all of this work. Now, the other thing that I'm seeing, just to give you a second example, is the selling of templates, whether that's on Etsy or some of these other platforms. Here's the thing. When it comes to creating something with AI and promoting it, it all comes down to money. You have to have the money to put it out there. Here's another one that I'm constantly seeing. People creating trading AI bots. I have an AI assistant that helps me with swing trading. However, I have been swing trading since 2008. I have over 300 charts and CSV files from different exchanges, different brokerages, and I have an actual strategy that I've been trading for a long time. And I had to take all of that information and put it into the AI. See, here's the thing that people don't understand about AI, especially Claude. I think Claude is totally different than ChatGPT and Gemini and Perplexity. Claude is in the image of you. Look at these religious texts. I'm not a religious person. However, I'm going to tell you my interpretation of what I've seen in these texts. Humans are made in the image and likeness of the creator. Well, AI is made in the image and likeness of us. So just think about it like this. AI is you. You're looking into a mirror. However, that AI has never been drunk. It's never been on drugs. It's never had a bad day. It's never gone through a breakup. It's never been divorced. So it is a clearer thinking version of you. Now, with something like Claude, you have to program it. Yes, you can ask it something and it can give you an answer. It will scour the internet. But with what you're trying to accomplish, you actually have to build the mind of it, and it can assist you with making better decisions. So in terms of my business, I had to feed it years, not just from swing trading, years of real estate, years of these other businesses that I have. I had to feed it the information, the CRMs, the invoices, the pros, the cons. So that way it can better help me make better business decisions because it already knows what I'm trying to do. It knows my end goal. It knows my starting point. It can help me find blind spots. I had to actually program the thing. And yes, again, it has access to information on the internet, but with your specific business, your area, your niche, it has to understand how you think, how you see things. And this is one thing that the majority of people aren't going to tell you. Everybody's going to say, hey, put this prompt in, put that prompt in, say this, say that, slash whatever. that stuff is only going to take you so far, and it is going to give you generic outputs. But if you want it to be personalized, it has to understand you, your business model, your end goal, why you're doing it. It has to understand everything. You literally have to empty out your head, your email, your CRM. You have to empty out everything into it so that way it can fully understand and make better decisions for your business. Now, I know you see these stories, for example, about this kid that created Cow AI as an example, and he was able to sell that for $100 million. What you're seeing is the endpoint. But what they don't tell you is that this kid was paying thousands, tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars every month to fitness influencers to promote this product. When you create something, it doesn't matter what the software is, and you want to get bought out. You want somebody to come purchase it from you and make you rich. It doesn't work that way. What these VCs and these companies that invest are interested in is data. You have to have paying subscriptions. I see people all the time in my comments, hey, I can make something better than what you're making with AI because I'm a software developer. That doesn't matter. What matters is how much money are you making and how much are people paying you every month. The reason why Instagram was purchased by Meta was because the people that own Instagram built the platform out and had people, millions of people using it daily, and they were getting advertising dollars already on top of that. Have you ever watched Shark Tank? And on Shark Tank, when people come in, they have this grand idea, and then the after they do their presentation, the first question they get, well, how many of them have you sold? How much money are you making? What's the base like that spends money on this? And the person that says, well, I haven't sold anything. The first thing the sharks do, oh, I'm out. Because that is a gamble. See, when I got into AI, I didn't bring business to AI. I brought AI to my business. I had already had a real estate business. I had already had a YouTube business. I already had several other businesses where AI could boost those businesses. So even my friends, when I introduced them to AI, the first thing we did say, hey, what can you do to reduce your expenses with what you're doing? That's the first thing. Okay, we're going to get rid of QuickBooks. We're going to create our own version of QuickBooks. We're going to get rid of the CRM, the customer relationship management software. We're going to create our own and get rid of that. So we use the AI first to reduce the business expenses. Then on the other side, okay, now what can we use AI for to increase the income of the business? What can we automate? See, most people out there have no idea of what they want to do. They're looking for a get rich quick type of scenario. See, if you don't know what you want to do, then there is no benefit to you using AI. Now, if you do have a great AI product, you have to think, how are you going to promote that? Do you have a budget to promote it? Now, for me, because I already have several platforms, I have access to other platforms, I have already solved that problem. I have friends that have YouTube channels. I have access to millions of people on social media. So if I decide to completely push out a product that is generated by AI, I have already solved that step. Most people do not have that step solved. You came up with this grand app idea. Well, how do you get people to start using it? It's going to cost you money, or it's going to cost you time, meaning you're going to have to get on YouTube and build a personal brand, or on Instagram, or on TikTok and build a personal brand to get those subscriptions in, to actually make the business worth something. And this brings me to the next thing. I don't know if you all have heard, but Claude has removed Claude Code from the $20 subscription and have moved it to the $100 subscription. In the future, the next several months, maybe a year or two, AI is going to be a money thing. It's going to be about the money. Do you have the money to use and consistently have access to these tools? I see all over social media, in my comments, Instagram, X, TikTok, people are saying things like, oh, I keep hitting my limit. I keep hitting my limit. And that tells me that you are on a very low tier subscription. Okay, the reason why I'm able to have the $200 a month of Claude, the $200 a month of ChatGPT, the $200 a month of Gemini, and all these other tools, because I already have businesses that are making money, and we pick those tools up to increase the revenue, reduce the expenses of these businesses. So making that investment made sense up front for me. But for the average person, you're not, honestly, and don't take this the wrong way, but you're not serious about using it if you're on a $20 subscription. And I totally understand. You want to learn how to use it. That makes total sense. But you cannot scale with a $20 a month subscription. It's not going to get you as far as you think it is. So in the future, these tools are going to become a lot more expensive. And it sucks because we have an economy that's coming down. People's incomes are getting cut, whether they're losing their job. Inflation is going up. So these tools are going to be a lot more expensive. I personally think in the near future, a lot of these tools are going to cost more than $1,000 a month. But if you don't have a business, it is going to be difficult for you to actually make money in this thing. Now, I just wanted to bring this to you all. If you actually want to understand how this AI thing works, make sure you subscribe, keep it locked. I put these types of videos out every day. Thanks for watching.